SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove search from home screen on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you find that you're accidentally tapping the search button on your home screen and you want to remove it, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the home screen option. Then you can tap the button to the right of Show on Home Screen to remove it. Now when you go back to the home screen, you'll see that search button is gone. If you would still like to occasionally use search, but you just simply didn't want that search button there, then you just need to swipe down on your home screen, which will bring up the search bar.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.